How to get $100 Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uber Eats coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you coupon codes for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Time Magazine. With that, you're gonna get amazing deals and offers. You can just scroll and check 40% off, 50% off coupon, $10 off coupon, and many more. You can just scroll down and check. If you want to use any of the coupon code, click on this option of Show Coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Now you can copy it, head towards the website of Uber Eats, make your order, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of View Discount at Uber Eats. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Make sure you go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of coupon codes for Uber Eats. Well, this is how you can get up to $100 Uber Eats coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.